If that's true, if he only plays those two, I feel like that does really hurt. Maybe they can still make it work, but
last week BNB, I mean, that's still yet to be seen, but I mean, Great Town off the bat, we talked about it being such a high priority pick as of late, and we saw in that last match why with ABL.
And BNB can probably grab the Ido pocket here pretty confidently.
Yeah, that would. I feel like that's got to be a no-brainer, right?
It's good against the GT. It's good for the team, good for the player. I feel like
no more hiding.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. No funny business. No dancing around it. Just getting it in there. That's good. And Pocket, it's been so cool to see Pocket's resurgence. Honestly, I was actually sad to see him like drop on everyone's like value list like ages ago, because I feel like he's one of the most iconic Deadlock heroes to me. I don't know why that is, but he is for me.
You mean just a guy with a suitcase full of frogs is not normal for you?
I don't know, it's so unique, the character design, that I don't know. I just feel like I just think of Deadlock when I think of Pocket. But we get some there to follow up, and that's something that's been super highly valued by OneWin and other teams in the EU as well. It's like Sinclair was like overvalued, and then kind of like undervalued, and then people started to figure it out, and now we're kind of back, I think, in a more normal place with it.
So now he's valued.
Exactly. People know how to use him now.
I'm kind of curious for Melee Creeps, talking to AVG a little bit, and obviously looking at like him and Poshipop. Them as a duo are so damn good when it comes to a lane. I remember, was it last week, watching them play? I want to say it was like Mirage 7. I can't remember what AVG was playing in particular in that lineup or that matchup, but they were so dominant in their lane. And I'm really curious, are they going to try to set those two players up in particular for success? Because I know Quig coming into the team, he's going to have to adapt to how the team likes to play. Is the team going to adapt to how he likes to lead? I'm really curious to see how like the inner workings of this team goes. But I know AVG's been playing like a ton of Shiv lately. Poshipop, he's been playing everything, and he's even willing to play over on EU servers when NAQs die down. This team's hungry, man, and I really want to see what they're going to bring here today.
I want to say Yamato maybe or something.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind a Yamato coming out here for BNB. I also wouldn't. I'm curious to see how the NA teams view Kelvin. They're gonna grab the Mo Krill, which I also like, has been distinctly more valued in NA than EU, but it's also been winning a ton in NA. It's been looking super scary, super difficult to push out lanes with the threat of the Mo. And I think especially it's a great answer to Holiday, who likes to get in for her catches and then pull somebody out. Well, if you get comboed and caught, then your lasso's not worth much at all. Same sort of story for Calico. And so I